Another perfect day in my hometown. Population? Not very many. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and I'm doing a little sketching under my favorite tree. Ow.
Keep going.
Oh, thanks, I think.
Let me try.
What is it, boy? You want this?
Okay, my turn.
I sure wish I knew what you two were saying. Yep,
Your turn.
all in all, my life is pretty great. I wouldn't change a thing.
Mom, Dad, doing it.
Honey, I've got some
This
good
is
news
so
and some
mean.
great news. Good news is
Mom, I'm dancing.
I know who you are. Good job.